Hello guys, welcome back to Maryland HVAC Repair, and today I want to show you what we're working on. And what we're doing is we have this old boiler here. As you guys know, it does real estate, so I'm actually going to rehab a property right now. So I have this old boiler here, but to remove it first we got to drain the boiler correctly. So you can see these are the pipe in here. If you look in the back, you will see we have a pipe here. So normally you could just put a hose here and hope it's drain out. I've been doing this for a couple of hours and it's draining very slowly. It was not doing anything much. So what I decided to do, a friend of mine told me to do this, and I want to show you how to drain it fast, how to drain it properly, guys. I went to the Home Depot and look what I got. A pump, this one, I think it's Everbuild, guys. So it comes with this clear hose already, which is really great. You're going to take this hose and you're going to connect it to the pipe at the back of the boiler, and then another one comes to this end of the pump, and then you take another garden hose and you put it at the top. So this is your inlet. It's going to pull here and it's going to push out the water here. So really good system, really good, simple if you want to pump water. It also comes with something. It could also be submerging water, but this is not what we're doing right now. So if you look here, I have it just draining in a bucket. Because it wasn't draining at all, but look at this. So guys, I just wanted to do this video to show you how to properly drain your boiler. Anyway guys, if you love this content, if you're enjoying this, please subscribe to the channel and please like and comment on this video. Talk to you later, and this is how you drain your boiler. Take care.